In the second chapter, we talk about the civilization and the ancient history of India. Historians use two major methods for writing down the history and giving accounts, that is, radiocarbon dating and the dendrochronology. Radiocarbon dating is basically analyzing from the fossils which are excavated during excavation, and dendrochronology is by assessing the trunk of the trees, thereby dating the period to which those regions belonged. So the standard classification of the ancient civilization goes like this. First we have Old Stone Age, that is Paleolithic age. The basic characteristics were the people of that stone age were hunter-gatherer type, and the major places were Shivaliks, Kurnool, Bhimpetka, Adamgarh, Son and Potwa. Paintings, pots, and their domesticated animals. So, this old Stone Age timeline is greater than 10,000 years BC. Then we have Mesolithic Stone Age. This timeline is 6,000 to 10,000 BC. The important Mesolithic sites are Langganj of Gujarat, Adamgarh of Madhya Pradesh, then Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar also have some of the sites of Mesolithic period. Then the primitive cultivation, microlith tools are the important feature of Mesolithic age. We can also see that Mesolithic age was a transition period between the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age. Also, we come to know that the bow and arrow, fishing were some of the important traits of these people. Next, we have Neolithic age, which is 6000 BC to 4000 BC. The important sites are Kashmir, Chirand, Belan, Maski, Halur, Brahmagiri, Kodaikal, Utnur, Payampalli. Here, one feature you can note is you also have some South Indian sites on the list. Agriculture, pottery, polished tools, bricks, cotton and wool clothes, large houses made of bricks, and coffin made of wooden coffins were also found in this age. This is more the Harappan civilization and the Indus Valley civilization, what we call, falls between the Neolithic age and the Copper age. Next, we have the classifications like metal ages. In that we have the Chalcolithic age and Iron age as the important metal ages. First, after the Neolithic age transition, there was the Chalcolithic age. One important thing about Neolithic age is the wheel invention we can see, and also cattles were used for transformation. So Neolithic age, in the Chalcolithic age, as the name itself tells, there was the discovery of copper and its uses was extensively made. We can see the smelting of these metal ores, and because of the excavation of copper, people started traveling for ores, and thereby there was a cultural exchange also. Then we know bronze is an alloy of copper, and bronze was a significance of the Harappan civilization. Therefore, the Bronze Age and the Neolithic Age transition period is the Harappa civilization. Important sites of the Chalcolithic age are Harappa, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri Delta regions, and the Payampilli of the Tamil Nadu region. Then we have Iron Age or the Vedic Age, famously called. That is, in South India, megaliths were found during this Iron Age. That is, arrangement of stones around the burials is known as megaliths, and red pottery. Thereby, megaliths and red pottery are the important things in the Iron Age.